However superior the appliance is, if the appliance is installed on an inadequate place, the life of the appliance is shortened. This applies to washing machines more than any other appliances. Introduction to the installation is done in the order of unloading, delivering, confirmation of installation area, checking the exterior of the product, installation, and how to use instruction. First of all, unloading is done with a team of 2 to avoid damaging the product. If the vehicle is equipped with power gate, use power gate to unload the product. In case of level ground, unloaded product are delivered by a hand cart. In order to avoid damaging the exterior of the product, use a hand cart with sponge attached on it. In case of stairs, the product is delivered with a team of 2. One person grabs the bending from the higher position, while the other holds the bottom surface from the lower position. When moving between floors, use a lift, and if there is no lift, apply the same method stated above. After delivering the product to the destination, one of the engineer has to check the horizontality of the ground, humidity and area of the installation space. If there are installed products already in place, move out the products, clean up the place, and check the status. When cleaning up, use a wet duster to wipe the floor, and then use a dry duster to remove any foreign objects and moisture on the floor. Check the space area for the product installation. The empty space between the appliance and the wall needs to be more than 2 centimeters. Discuss installation with the customer. Having checked the installation place, open the box with a team of 2. The box must be opened at the front gate of customer's house in order to prevent external damage, and then check with the customer if there are any scratches or nicks on the exterior of the product. Having confirmed no damage on the exterior of the product, deliver the product to the installation place. Use a spanner to remove transit bolts and cover the hole with the hole cap. If transit bolts are not removed, the product in spin-dry mode can bounce up and down, generating severe vibration and noise. Maintain the horizontality of the tab and hose connection. Securely connect the hose to the tab and check for leakage. In the case of wrong assembly, leakage will occur. The water supply and the product must be distanced more than 2 centimeters from each other in order to prevent noise caused by friction. In case securing more than 2 centimeter wide space is not possible, fix the hose with holder in order to prevent vibration caused by the hose. When doing this, be careful not to kink the hose. After having connected water supply hose, place a bubble level on top of the product. Check in both horizontal and vertical direction. Adjust the height of leg so that the bubble in the bubble level comes within second level. It is very important to attach legs firmly to the floor. Loosen and adjust the front leg where vibration occurs by running diagonal tests. Legs will be loosened by placing the spanner on hexagonal part of leg and rotating it clockwise. Having loosened the legs, rerun the diagonal test to see if there are any movements. Attach the legs completely to the floor with delicate leg adjustment. Rerun the diagonal test and use the spanner to accomplish the process. Firmly tighten the lock nut on top of the product using tools such as a spanner. If the height of leg reaches more than 10 millimeters, it can be a cause of vibration noise. In this case, use adjustment rubber to avoid the noise. Use of a piece of flooring or box as a replacement to the adjustment rubber can be a cause of vibration noise. Do not use paper box, floor cover, or bricks to adjust the horizontality. This will be the cause of noises. After completion of the installation process, run spin dryer to have a final check on vibration. After the completion of installation process, explain the basic way of operating the product to the customer. Explain also a number of wash courses, including the standard course, options, major functions, and how to clean pump filter. If the customer does not clean the pump filter, OE error can occur, stopping the operation of the product. Clean the pump filter at least once a month. Refer to OE on direction for the use for more details. There can be water leakage on the door in front of the washer while operating the product. In this case, open the door and clean the gasket part and sealing part of the door glass. UE error occurs when the laundry is pushed to one side, causing unbalance. To resolve the error, untangle the clothes and put them back to the washer. If there are few clothes in the washer, put more clothes of a similar kind into the washer and then start spin drying. Advise the location and use of CIC label to the customer so that they can connect to the CIC center when questions or problems regarding the product arise. Explain to the customer the function of transit bolts, which prevent drum damage while it is being delivered, and advise also that the customer must keep transit bolts and spanner.